With the interest in cryptocurrency on the rise, people are learning how to buy a cryptocurrency and looking for easy ways to buy Bitcoin. It's no surprise that some would-be investors are hoping to learn more about how digital assets work. But with crypto, sometimes the truth can be stranger than fiction. It's been a wild ride, and we are still not sure where cryptocurrencies are headed in the future, but here are some equally wild facts about cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. First commercial Bitcoin transaction was for pizza on May 22, 2010. A man in Florida paid 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. This is generally recognized as the first commercial Bitcoin transaction. At the time, 10,000 Bitcoin was worth about $40, making 1 Bitcoin worth a little less than half a cent. Today, if you had that much in Bitcoin, it would be worth more than $350 million. There are more than 4,500 cryptocurrencies in existence. As of February 2021, there were more than 4,500 cryptocurrencies in existence. While you can't buy them all on an exchange, they are out there, some of them requiring their own wallets. There are so many coins available because it's relatively easy to create a coin and put it out there. But, as of this writing, the top 20 coins account for about 90% of the cryptocurrency market. The total amount of Bitcoins is limited. When the protocol for Bitcoin was set up, the limit was set at 21 million. As a result, at some point, no more Bitcoins can be mined. When you help complete transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain, you're said to be mining, and you can receive a reward in Bitcoins. The reward halves every 210,000 blocks, which has worked out to about every 4 years. As of this writing, some estimates put the total number of circulating Bitcoin at more than 18 million. This leaves a few million Bitcoin yet unreleased, which is part of why mining remains a popular activity. One man wants to excavate a landfill to get his digital wallet back. In 2013, James Howells, who lives in Wales, threw out a hard drive with 7,500 Bitcoins on it. When he realized how much the value of Bitcoin had shot up in recent years, he went looking for the drive. Now, he's trying to get his local city council to allow him to excavate the landfill in an attempt to find the drive. He's claiming to offer a portion of the proceeds if the city allows him to look through the trash. Some cryptos, like Ethereum, have more uses than as a coin. Some cryptocurrencies have uses beyond just being a coin. The Ethereum blockchain can be used for more than just processing payments and sending currency. While you can use Ether, the native coin, for transactions, the underlying technology isn't just about a medium of exchange. Ethereum is also used to execute smart contracts and can be used for the supply chain management. Other cryptocurrencies even create their coins on the Ethereum network. Ethereum fees are referred to as gas. When using the Ethereum blockchain to complete transactions, you're required to pay for gas. On the Ethereum network, gas represents the computational effort used to complete the transaction. Using the network for apps or transactions, even if it's converting another coin to Ether, means you need to pay for gas. Depending on the transaction and traffic on the blockchain, gas fees can feel quite high in some cases. CryptoKitties is one of the first blockchain games. One of the first blockchain games, CryptoKitties offers a way to breed one-of-a-kind digital cats. CryptoKitties aren't a currency. Instead, they're part of a non-fungible token, NFT, world. Each kitty is unique and can't be replicated, therefore, they have a unique value, similar to artwork. By the way, CryptoKitties are built on the Ethereum blockchain. The most expensive CryptoKitty sold for 600 ETH. Back in 2018, someone paid 600 ETH for a CryptoKitty dragon. At the time of the sale, 600 ETH was worth about $170,000. Today, with the price of 1 Ether at more than $2,700, that 600 ETH would be the equivalent of more than $1.6 million. That's one expensive digital cat.
If you already liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.
NFTs aren't currencies. Even though they are growing in popularity and are considered digital assets, NFTs aren't cryptocurrencies. They're tokens that are not used as a medium of exchange. And NFTs can't be divided or replicated. Today, NFTs are seeing popularity as alternative investments similar to artwork or collectibles. In fact, that's how some people see them: digital collectibles and artwork that could potentially grow in value. There are even NFTs, like those offered by NBA Top Shot, that operate similarly to digital sports trading cards. Dogecoin started as a joke. One of the hottest cryptocurrencies in recent months is Dogecoin. However, the token started out as a joke. The idea was that there were so many coins out there, just being introduced. So the creators of Dogecoin invented the token around the image of the surprised-looking Shiba Inu dog. This was a popular meme in 2013 when Dogecoin was introduced. While there's serious money in Dogecoin right now, its price remains volatile. The creator of Bitcoin remains anonymous. Bitcoin is widely credited as being created by Satoshi Nakamoto. However, the paper that talked about the protocol was released through a cryptography mailing list and the actual author remains anonymous. There is a lot of speculation around the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, but no one knows whether it's one person or a group of people. Elon Musk has a lot of pull when it comes to cryptocurrency prices. One person has contributed to huge swings in cryptocurrency prices in recent months: Elon Musk. When he tweets or talks about cryptocurrencies, the market listens. Or at least his devoted followers listen. Musk has impacted the price of Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and the cryptocurrency market as a whole, just from making pronouncements about what coins Tesla will accept for car purchases and making comments on Saturday Night Live. Despite Musk's antics, many investors still find themselves researching how to invest in Tesla itself. Some countries ban cryptocurrencies. Not every country allows the use of cryptocurrencies. Some countries, like Turkey, don't allow cryptocurrency payments, while others, like Nigeria, ban cryptocurrency exchanges. One of the most significant recent bans is China's ban on financial institutions from providing services related to crypto transactions. It's practically impossible to actually ban the use of cryptocurrencies, even though countries can regulate access to service providers and shut down exchanges. But with one of the world's largest economies coming out against cryptocurrencies, it's hard to say how things will progress later. China accounts for about 65% of cryptocurrency mining. Even though China is cracking down, the country accounts for about 65% of cryptocurrency mining in the world. China is proposing consequences for telecommunications companies and others that use their equipment for mining. Cryptocurrency prices are extremely volatile. Cryptocurrency prices are punctuated by wide swings in price. It's not uncommon for a coin to lose 30% to 50% of its value overnight and then log huge gains a few days later. It's a new asset class, and people are trying to figure out how to value various coins. Additionally, all of the celebrities surrounding cryptos mean there's a lot of trendiness associated with them. As a result, if something falls out of favor, it could lose value quickly, and you could be left with losses you can't recover. You still have to pay taxes on your crypto gains. If you're investing in cryptocurrencies and seeing gains, you will have to pay capital gains taxes. Depending on how you manage your crypto and how you got it, you might have to pay taxes based on long-term or short-term investment gains or as income. For example, when I received 1 Bitcoin for an article in 2011, that would have been considered income. Today, if I sell the Ethereum I bought in 2016 to 2017, my profits would be long-term capital gains. I experimented with Dogecoin back in April, and that resulted in short-term capital gains.